Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Maisarah binti Ismail, and I will talk about my final year project, which is the impact of Agrobazar web design towards purchase intention in Malaysia. This research aims to uncover the key design factors that positively impact on pupil perception and adoption of mobile apps. By identifying these factors, app developers and web designers can tailor their offerings to meet the needs and preference of this demographic, ultimately increasing their purchase intention and engagement with mobile apps. Next is problem statement. It is essential to evaluate the extent of digital literacy among society, as it plays a crucial role in determining their familiarity with mobile apps and their ability to navigate app stores. By examining factors like perceived ease of use, perceived usefulness, and prior experience with similar technologies, we can gain valuable insights into their purchase intention. Also, gaining a deep understanding of the specific needs, preference, and goals will enable developers and marketers to customize mobile apps effectively, catering to their specific requirements. Pupils often exhibit increased concerns regarding privacy, security, and trustworthiness when engaging with mobile apps. It is important to investigate how mobile apps design address trust and security measures, such as incorporating secure payment options, implementing transparent data handling practice, and establishing robust privacy policies. To fulfill my research, this study needs to search the issues or problems that related to the impact of Agrobazar web design on influencing purchase intention of mobile apps in Malaysia. So, this is the research objectives and research questions of this research. Next is literature review. First, for usability, that said, usability refers to the ease with which individuals can successfully complete a specific task using a product. For functionality, is defined by the ease of how user can navigate your site, get the information they are seeking, or purchase the product they want. Furthermore, for perceived usefulness, there exists a research stream dedicated to examining the factors that contribute to the perceived usefulness of website design. Next, for ease of use is a fundamental requirement for a website to be regarded as well designed. And last, purchase intentions serve as a cult of the individual's attitude towards making a purchase or utilizing a particular service. I can conclude that the impact of Agrobazar web design toward purchase intention of mobile apps in Malaysia in the organisation play a vital part to maintain and advance the business sustainability drivers on purchase intention in the Agrobazar industry in Malaysia. The research of framework suggested that the impact of Agrobazar web design on influencing purchase intention of mobile apps in Malaysia. Therefore, the impact of Agrobazar web design on influencing purchase intention of mobile apps will be conducted, which are usability, functionality, perceived usefulness, and ease of use. There are 4 hypotheses that will help to solve the reasons that can give the impact of Agrobazar web design on influencing purchase intention of mobile apps in Malaysia, which are hypothesis 1, there is a relationship between usability and purchase intention of mobile apps. Hypothesis 2, there is a relationship between functionality and purchase intention of mobile apps. Hypothesis 3, there is a relationship between perceived usefulness and purchase intention of mobile apps. And hypothesis 4, there is a relationship between ease of use and purchase intention of mobile apps. The quantitative research has a lead as the research method to generate new knowledge and meaning that can give the impression toward purchase intention of mobile apps in Malaysia. Second, a research approach that centered around problem solving and identifying opportunities through a systematic, logical, and organized process. It involves identifying and defining the problem or opportunity, collecting relevant data, and conducting analysis. Third, Data collection, which the data collection process for the study involved the categorization of data into main and minor data. Quantitative research has been selected as an ambitious approach to examine and quantify essential data. Next was sample size. Considering the total of 30 items, and ideal sample size for this study falls within the range of 150 to 200 participants. Therefore, a sample size of 172 respondents will be employed for the study. For key informants, Agrobazar mobile apps user who intends to utilize or currently use the mobile apps are the study's informants. This study participants will include Malaysia various genders, races, age, and employment status, and last for data analysis. The questionnaire were gathered and examined using SPSS version 27. SPSS is capable of handling large amount of data and performing various internal management impact of analysis, thereby facilitating the process of data collection and tabulation. Next, I will talk about reliability analysis. The analysis specifically examined four independent variables: usability, functionality, perceived usefulness, and ease of use, in relation to one dependent variable, purchase intention. In reliability testing, a rule of thumb suggests that a value of 0.7 or higher indicates good reliability. In this study, the calculated Cronbach alpha was 0.992, surpassing the threshold and demonstrating excellent reliability. For correlation analysis, this analytical approach not only informs about the strength of the relationship but also its direction. Pearson correlation measures the extent to which two variables are associated. Consequently, Pearson correlation will be utilized in this investigation. The possible range of values for Pearson's correlation spans from 0.00 to 1.00. The subsequent table presents the Pearson correlation coefficient. The model summary table illustrates the connection between independent variables, usability, functionality, perceived usefulness, and ease of use, and the sole dependent variables, purchase intention. The multiple regression analysis MRA reveals a correlation coefficient R value of 0.876, indicating a strong relationship. Referring to ANOVA, the significance level for this multiple regression analysis test is less than p equal to 0.05, representing a 5% level of confidence in the findings. This implies that there is less than a 5% probability that the observed result is merely a coincidence for the research. To conclude, for coefficient purchase intention equal to negative 0.505 plus 0.134 usability plus 0.251 functionality plus 0.312 perceived usefulness and plus 0.443 for ease of use. For reliability, I can say that all variables are highly reliable result because the Cronbach alpha are 0.9 and above. Next, the correlation between all variables, which the usability, functionality, perceived usefulness, and ease of use factor and purchase intention is statistically significant, as evidenced by a positive correlation with a p-value of 0.000. Multiple regression analysis (MRA) is employed to examine the relationship between independent variables and the dependent variables, which in this case is business sustainability. The evaluation of hypothesis testing results become apparent when the significance values of coefficients reach p equal 0.05. This table displays the research findings indicating that the three impacts of the work environment have accepted hypothesis alternatives due to their significant values being below 0.05. For implication of study towards farmers in the ever-evolving landscape of agriculture, the integration of mobile applications has brought transformative implications for farmers, such as the use of mobile applications connects farmers directly to buyers, eliminating intermediaries and providing a platform for efficient e-commerce. Farmers can showcase and sell their product to a broader market, ensuring fair pricing and enhancing a broad market access. Besides that, mobile applications empower farmers with instant access to crucial information. Next, recommendations for future research. Future researchers are encouraged to extensively engage with existing journals to ensure the acquisition of more precise, reliable, and valid results for their investigations. The researcher strongly advocates for future studies to do collaboration with stakeholders. And lastly, it can be concluded that the impact of Agrobazar was designed towards purchase intention of mobile apps in Malaysia, which is the usability, functionality, perceived usefulness, and ease of use are directly related and significant with the purchase intention of mobile apps. Various approaches were used in these researches to answering the objectives that were formulated. Several methods were used to analyze the data obtained, such as the mean score of group indicator, validity and reliability analysis, inferential analysis, and hypothesis testing.